If you are still trying to grow your Instagram the old-fashioned way, I hate to break it to you. Your growth is basically dead. But there's one AI tool that's changing the game in 2025, and if you don't start using it now, you are going to get left behind. Let me show you how. Let's see the tool number 1, buffer.com. Click the buffer.com. After landing on the page, you can select the pricing. Just test purpose that in the free account how many benefits we will get: 10 scheduled posters per channel, refill anytime, 100 ideas, 1 user account, AI assistant, basic analytics, world-class customer support. Oh, that is enough for us. Okay, then we get started now. To get started, we have to create an account. Okay, let's create a password. Then sign up. Here is our account, the new account, and we can connect Instagram, Threads, LinkedIn, and so many more like Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, and more. Okay, the connect Instagram. Before connecting Instagram, we should log in into our account. Okay, and after connecting the account, that means after logging the account, we need to connect Instagram account and connect to professional or personal, anything may be, connect to Instagram. Okay, then here is some view profile and access media, access and manage comments, access and publish, allow. After seeing the surface, we need to finish connection and it will start connecting Instagram. Okay, now here we can see the timing of the post, create new. The timing is depending on my profile, so that my profile has gone to too many peoples. Okay, this is the recommendation of buffer.com, that which time should I post. Okay, we can create new post from here. You can select a file. Let's say this is the file, and give some time to upload it. We can upload an image or a video that will suitable to our post. Here is our post, and we can add emojis and AI assistant so that it can write a tag or a tagline or anything for us. Okay, next, got it. Okay, settings things up. Now what I want to write about. Okay, I want to write about parents advice. Then click generate and see the AI can produce the whole text for us, and click insert. Okay, the post is ready and we can edit here. We can edit if we need to add some text or to remove some text, we can also do that. Okay, then we can also add tags so that so many people can see our post. We can write more, we can refresh, shorten or expand this post, and also that we can change the time. Okay, if we need to publish today, we can set the date. If we need to publish after some days, we can set the date also. Okay, and here also some other features that we can do some draft. If we need some approvals of collaboration, that we need a team member and we are social media manager, we need to approve the post, we can send them also. And there are also previous posts, how many react we get, all the calculations are here. We can see the calendar wise, so that we can understand which date we should post, which time we should post. We can create new posts from here also, like post, reel, story, anything we want. We can add text, we can add link, we can add music. So many options, and so much easier for us to use this. Okay, and this is awesome, just awesome. This is just part 1, but now you know why AI isn't just the future of Instagram growth, it is the only way forward. Don't wait until your account is stuck forever. Hit like, subscribe, and get ready for part 2, where I'll reveal the exact steps to explode your followers using this AI tool.